Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make some chicken wings in the air fryer. Alright, if you want to see, go ahead, let's get started. Alright guys, so this is what our chicken wings are looking like. I seasoned it with some paprika, some turmeric, some black pepper, onion powder, and a few other seasonings on here like seasoning salt and some other things, rosemary I think, and I forget, but I let it sit overnight in the fridge. And now I'm gonna show you how to put it into the air fryer. So this is our air fryer. I'm gonna place it into the bottom of the pan, and we cut the tips. We love our tips, so you know what I'm saying. We gonna eat good. So I'm gonna place these in here. I need her to cook this because my mom's hungry. And she over here, they start, you know how parents, you know, why you ain't cooking, why you ain't cooking? They start getting hungry, and then they get hangry, and then I ain't got time for no attitude. So we're gonna go ahead and put this in here like so. And you could kind of fill it up as much as you want, but I like to do only one layer. Some people do two. They even came with a rack so you can do like 2 layers or 3 layers, but I like mine to be thoroughly cooked and crispy. So I do not layer mine too thick, just right. That's what I like to do, just right. Let's see if I put one more tip in there. All right, that's that. Now we're gonna put it into the air fryer. I'm gonna put it in. Our air fryer is made by Gourmet. She got it on sale. She somehow got 2 for like $60. Normally they're like $60 a piece and up. So thankfully we got this, you know, on sale. You know how we do. So I'm gonna hit start. I'm gonna hit the choose different foods cooking here arrow. I'm gonna choose chicken, the drumstick. It's on 400, and normally I put mine up on 30. And then I hit start, and then like halfway through I flip it, and then I add like 10-15 more minutes. So we're gonna let that cook, and we'll come back. Now we're gonna flip. And the garlic got a little bit charred, you see on here, but that'll be okay. Ain't nothing wrong with a little bit extra flavor. But you can always scrape it off too in the end. So let me hold it. One thing I don't like about these silicone, what's this called? What?
Fur?
This.
Tongs?
Yeah, you're right. Only thing I don't like about the silicone tongs is that it kind of slips on the food when you're flipping it, but I like when you're flipping it because, especially when you're using like a non-stick pan like this, it won't scratch the pan on and make the non-stick come up. Then, you know, if you cook anything else, it'll be sticking to it. But so far, everything's good. Our chicken doesn't stick, which is good. We're just gonna keep on flipping them. Flip, flip. Flip it or skip it. We're gonna flip it. All right. Looking good. We're gonna put it back in. This here is the chicken. It's done. If you want to put barbecue sauce on, or hot sauce, or buffalo sauce on it, this is the time to do it. Okay? And all you do is just put it on top, put a top over, and shake it up, and you're done. You're good to go. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Follow, like, subscribe for more.
Period, boo.
Period.